This is Chris, the Idaho Painter, here on Paint Live TV. Today I'm going to be talking about a spraying and drying system for cabinet doors that's going to be extremely fast and efficient and make you a whole lot of money, so stay tuned for this video. Alright, so here we are. I'm surrounded by the system that we currently use painting cabinets. It's extremely fast, efficient, makes us a whole lot of money. It's called the PSC RS. It's manufactured by a company called The Paint Line. I'm going to give you just a little brief history of how I used to paint cabinets. I've been doing it for over 18 years, and we used to just take and search out and find as many 5-gallon buckets as we can, as many boxes as we can, and we would spray our drawer fronts or doors. We would spray them sitting on those buckets and boxes. We would let it dry, come back the next day, we would flip it, we would spray that side, we would let that dry, come back the next day, and then we would rehang our doors. Now that was a 3-day system. We eventually designed this system how we can spray a door in 1 day, hanging it. And that was done with PVC pipe. We made it with PVC pipe. It was very unstable. We used wooden hangers. We had them break before. We had the hangers come out here, and we had them break here. That's why there's tape wrapped around them to make them stronger. It was a great system. It made us money. It turned our painting process from 3 days into 1 day. But eventually, Paint Line saw the video and they manufactured this system right here that I'm surrounded by. They manufactured better hangers. This system tears down extremely fast. You'll see here, I'll break it down. It breaks down in about 5 minutes. It takes less than 10 minutes to set this system up. It comes in 3 bags. The whole system, it's an extremely professional look when you walk into a house, with the bags. The poles go in this bag right here. The hangers are right here. It comes with 50 hangers, so here's the hanger bag right here. And everything is very neat and organized. Everything goes together, no tools. This just sets in, and everything's color-coded too, so it's really hard not to be able to figure out how to put it together. A cotter pin just puts in the part that spins. It's got notches for the hanger right here, so the notches are really important that it doesn't slide around. It just goes in, cotter pin goes in. It comes with 2 wooden dowels, so you can spin your door right here. I like to just take and stick tape around the dowel so it's a little bit tighter. Here's a door. I'll show you. Here's the hanger itself. These hangers are absolutely incredible. The hangers themselves, we have a system where we actually drill cup hooks right here and put cup hooks in the top of the doors. The wooden hangers, you see when you hang a door on there, the door turns, it spins right here. So it take up a whole lot more room and space for hanging your cabinet doors. The system with the hangers now with Paint Line, they don't spin. So these hangers take up way less space. So I can hang these things. You can see they don't spin, they're fixed in place. I can hang them very tight together just like that. They're not going to spin, not going to touch each other. This is going to typically be set up in a spray booth. The sprayer is going to spray, he's going to hand it outside the spray booth. The hanger is going to, he's going to take and hang it on a drying rack, usually in a separate room for them to dry. Probably my favorite accessory is the 2-tier system, and this is one of the ones I called Paint Line up and told them, we got all these drawer fronts, and the drawer fronts are only about this tall, and they only take up that space. I said it'd really be nice to be able to utilize the space below it and hang another row of drawer fronts. So it was literally like that. I think that same day they came up with a engineered drawing of the system, and here it is. I'm going to show you. It comes the 2-tier system right here. It's 4 pieces, and these are the tops, and this is the middle right here, and this is what's going to create the 2nd tier. So I'm just going to take my first drying rack. I'm going to take that off. All I'm going to do is take top off. I'm going to slide this piece down. I can put it anywhere I want to create my 2nd tier. And this could be like if you're doing small parts, drawer fronts. Now I can hang small door. Now I can hang a large door down here. 2-tier system right here. So a height extender, here's a height extender. So this is what it looks like right here. So the height extender, I'm just going to take my top off. just stick a height extender in. And where this would, come to play is we've done in the past, I've done some shutters. So some plantation shutters that were really tall. They were too tall to hang on the PSDR system as it stands now. So the height extenders, this would have given us enough height to actually hang and put our plantation shutters on. So should take out top, this one. So now it's just extended my height by a foot right here. Got a height extender in. I could just turn around and remove my two-tier system. Now I've got an extended height. So that's another accessory that Paintline has just recently come up with to make this system more versatile. Now I'm going to show you the wave hanger. I know there's a handful of people out there that do not like drilling holes in their cabinet doors. I've been doing it for probably 7-8 years, something like that. I've had one customer ever question it. The secret is on the top doors, screw your holes in the top, bottom doors, screw your holes in the bottom, and nobody will ever see them. So an EFC hanger, this right here, this hanger goes right inside your round hinge hooks, just sets right inside there, just like that. Now you don't have to drill holes in your cabinet doors. The wave hanger goes along with this EFC system because the wave, it's going to just set in there just like that. No more drilling holes. The wave hangers kind of just find, where the hanger needs to hang, because it's going to be, the hole's going to be anywhere. So you actually need a hanger like this wave hanger to be able to hang your doors. So now, wave hanger system, EFC hooks, no longer have to drill holes. So there you have it, the PSDR system. They came out with some really cool accessories here recently to make this thing faster and more efficient for us cabinet painters out there. If you have any ideas, leave them in the comment section below on how to make this thing, more effective, more efficient, or just more versatile. I'm sure the Paintline would like to hear about it, because I know when I gave them a suggestion, they came up with the suggestions right away and adopted it, and now it's just a better system. So leave your questions and comments down below. If you got one, let us know what you think of it. We would like to know in the comment section down below. You can also find this whole entire system and the spray racks, brine racks, spray twirling on our tool source. So check out the video description down below. Out.